I would be the guy who knows his worth and doesn't settle for anything less. So next time you get stood up, don't wallow in self-pity. Instead, look for that silver lining. It might just be the wake-up call you need to realize your own worth. And that, my friends, is a priceless lesson. If you're enjoying this video and our dating misadventures, do consider subscribing. We promise it's less painful than being stood up. Here on our channel, we not only share the good, the bad, and the funny of dating, but we also provide a space where we can all laugh, learn, and grow together. So hit that subscribe button and join our community. You'll be the first to know when we release a new video, and who knows? You might just pick up a few dating tips along the way. Now let's dive back into the world of dating. Okay, so you've been stood up. How do you deal with the aftermath? First things first, it's essential to remember not to take it personally. Yes, it's disappointing, and yes, it might sting a bit, but it's not a reflection on you as a person. When someone stands you up, it speaks volumes about them and their character, not yours. They are the ones who've missed out on getting to know you. Think of it this way. Imagine you're a delicious, mouth-watering chocolate cake. Now, some people might not like chocolate cake. Does that make the cake any less scrumptious?